bomba sa loob ng KOJC compound. Panoorin po natin ito. Okay, gusto na namin i-explain kung ano ang nilalaman ng term ng bahay na ito. Ito yung tinawag nila rin ng item down, pero hindi nila masabi ng granada. Hindi ang granada ito. Masabi natin ha. Thermobaric munitions are sometimes known as a poor man's nuclear weapon. I quote, poor man's nuclear weapon. Okay? Because they can obliterate any human in the vicinity. Victims can be killed by the blast or the accompanying shockwave, and the subsequent vacuum can rupture people's lungs. Naiintindihan po ba natin kung gaano